This is Passiflora Edulis, or as most commonly known as the passion fruit. Here we can see both the flowers and the fruits, which grow the size of a tennis ball. This is a fine species of passion fruit flower, native to southern Brazil through Paraguay and northern Argentina. The flower is a type of berry, round to oval, either yellow or dark purple at maturity, with a soft to firm, juicy interior filled with numerous seeds. The fruit can be eaten as is or juiced. The juice is often added to other fruit juices to enhance aroma. The pulp is encased by a thick walled skin, which can be easily cut using a knife. The fruit are ready to harvest when the skin of the fruit becomes wrinkly, and usually the fruit starts dropping down on its own. The vine needs a large fence or trellis to attach to, and grows very fast. They also like a healthy dose of NPK and water. When it's not fruiting or in flowering, it can be pruned back to reduce a bit of its foliage. As a vine, I recommend it, as you will have fruits to harvest, nice flowers, and it attracts also pollinators. Okay, thank you.